Okay, I got my little ninja blender here, and I'm getting ready to make a smoothie. So I put my almond milk and my oh boy, I got all kinds of stuff in here. I got almond milk, I got yogurt, I got my naturally more creamy organic peanut butter in here. I got my FlavCity all-in-one protein smoothie powder in here, which is really good. This is a vanilla cream flavored one. I got let's see, yogurt, almond milk. I'm getting ready to put in my cocoa powder, and I just put in I haven't put in my protein powder yet. I got to get that in there. And then I'm going to put in some, all kinds of stuff. I got to put in bananas and strawberries and all kinds of stuff. But I want to get it mixed up here before I put the hard stuff in there, the bananas, and, well, bananas aren't hard, but the bananas and the frozen strawberries and stuff. So it's going to be delicious. Okay, we got it all done. We got the protein powder, we got some cocoa, we got the peanut butter and the yogurt and all this stuff in there. And so, yep, we got it here, and we're going to give it, yeah, we got it all in there. Give it a little taste here, see how it is. We got strawberries, we got frozen strawberries and cocoa powder and yogurt and all the, good. Nice and cold from the frozen strawberries, and really, really good. I like it. And the protein powder gives it really a really nice vanilla-y flavor with the strawberries and the cocoa and the peanut butter. Good stuff. So yeah, I really like this protein powder too. Really good stuff.